My current job is I work for the Environment Agency at the National Fisheries Laboratory. So we work towards fish health and disease in freshwater. We also do non-native species and fish ageing. I chose to do a master's in microbiology, mainly for two reasons. First reason was for confidence. I felt like after my undergrad I still didn't have the confidence to go out and get a job within like a microbiology role. And so I really wanted to build up on my skills more and build up on my confidence, especially since I was impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic when doing my undergrad. The second reason is that I didn't really know what type of microbiology role I wanted to. I didn't know what industry to go into. And so I thought doing a master's would be a perfect opportunity to explore more into microbiology as a whole. I fell in love with the city. I absolutely love how there's a range of different shops and other places to eat. I like to go and watch the Lincoln City FC, so go in. And yeah, I just love the city. I love how the uni's also integrated. I think best bits of the course would be the infection control module. I really liked one of the assessments, which was doing a short video, because it's a different way of communicating and it tested other skills that I hadn't previously tested. So like making a video and editing it was really quite fun. So it was 5 food safety myths busted, and it was aimed towards the public. So it's kind of trying to explain like these 5 food safety myths and trying to like explain it in a way that the public would understand. So you have to try and think about explaining it in a more simpler term than how you would explain it in like a scientific journal or in a paper or in an essay. And I really enjoyed it because food microbiology was something that I quite enjoyed. So yeah, it was just a really good assessment. I like the breadth. There was a variety of assessments. It wasn't just doing exams and it wasn't just writing essays. There's, of course, as I said, the infection control where you produce a video. In another module, we did writing kind of like a scientific news article. There was a RStudio assessment, so doing statistics, which is quite different to kind of the essay and the exam. Yeah, there's a nice wide range, which is what I enjoy. I'm someone who gets quite stressed at exams, so it was nice to have a variety of different ways to be assessed. My independent project really helped with my problem-solving skills, which I now use in my job. There was many times where it didn't quite go right, or there was things that didn't happen that I expected to happen, and it was really nice having support of my supervisor and all the lab staff in kind of working around and testing other ways of doing certain aspects so that it would work eventually. And yeah, it really helped with my current job because there's so many times where something doesn't quite go right or something quite unplanned happens and you have to think around it. If I would give advice to a new student, I'd say just enjoy it, really attend every session, get the support from the lecturers because they are experts in their field, and just really go into the course with an open mind and a willingness to learn and develop. I found the staff really approachable and really helpful, especially in the lab. The lab staff were amazing and they're there to help you as much as they possibly can. And all the lecturers are lovely and will try and help you out and are very approachable if you need help with some of the work, or if you want extra work to try and develop more, they are there for you.